Hey realtors, what if you could save time and headaches in this crazy market, while also getting a beautiful marketing kit for your professional photos and video of your listings? With Vivid Exposure, you can have an incredible custom marketing portfolio automated with each listing package. You wear many hats as a realtor and you have to juggle a lot of jobs each day. From being a salesperson, a therapist, a lawyer, maybe sometimes a life coach to your clients. Somehow, you have to fit in there a marketing executive and maybe even a photographer to take your own photos. Some of you may be saying, but this market is so hot, I don't need professional photography to sell a house. Sure, but in this market, or any market, sellers are like gold. And a seller was once a buyer looking at good and bad photos marketing homes. So your ideal seller is looking for a realtor with a great marketing portfolio. And if you have cell phone pictures or you don't have any video or drone photos of your past listings, you're at a severe disadvantage to other agents who do. If you're putting out poor photos or lacking the marketing of your competitors, how many listings are you missing out on? In 2021, 20% of homes were sold sight unseen, meaning all they had to look at was pictures or maybe a video online. What if you could have an automated marketing kit that is as simple to use as a few mouse clicks? How much more time would that save you, and how many more new clients could you land? With our marketing kit, each listing has its own custom website with your branding. It includes a Google Maps satellite view and a view of the surrounding amenities and attractions such as schools, restaurants, shopping, and much more. It also includes a slideshow of the photos of the property, and if you choose to have a walkthrough and drone video, it will show that as well. And best of all, it's as easy as clicking a button to share it on your social media. You also get a lightning fast flyer maker. All you have to do is choose a template and drag and drop the pictures you choose into your flyer. You can now design professional open house or signpost flyers extremely easily in just a few minutes. We know you're always on the go and don't have time to call a photographer to make an appointment, so we got you covered. Just go to our website and save a shortcut to your home screen on your mobile device. Then, whenever you need to make an order, just log into your account and you can select the package you want and the date and time you want it done. That's one less phone call you have to make. You get all this and get to save time to do what you do best: working more leads and signing more listing contracts. So stop with the cell phone pictures or wasting time and money with other photographers that don't provide as much value for your hard-earned money. Check out our website below and you can download our free photography prep list to send to your clients to get their home ready for picture day. Let's start saving you time and headaches today.